How to make flashcards in Notion. So you've already understood your subject, but you need to find a way to remember them. And I think flashcard is the perfect way to do it. So for example here, now I will show you how you can make a flashcard in Notion. I have to revise the history subject, for example. Now, uh, I will show you how you can make a gallery view in Notion as a flashcard. As you can see here, I review the capital of the Czech Republic, and if I click reveal answer, it'll show Prague. And if I hit don't reveal, I undo the checkbox here, it will hide the answer back. And then after that, I can set the last reviewed to the date so I can keep track of my flashcard. Also, I can have a list of my flashcards and look at them in a table view. So let's get started. So the first thing that we need to do is add another page. Let's add another page here. Let's say flashcard. And you will want the gallery view by typing / in your keyboard and type view. And let's choose the gallery view as to start. Okay, never mind. View. And let's make a new database. Let's call this new flashcard so that we don't get confused with the previous flashcard gallery that I've made. Okay, so the next is the table view. And ideally, you want to set up your flashcards in the table view. So, for example, let's create 3 flashcards at first. Let's say, what is 1 plus 1? And secondly is, let's say, what number is the square root of 4? And then you get the idea. Okay, so let's start with what's 1 plus 1. So what you want in your flashcard is first, of course, the date, last date reviewed. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's delete this property right here so we can start fresh. Now you can choose to track your date created in your flashcard or not. I'm gonna opt to track when I first add my flashcard, so I'm gonna keep that date created property. Otherwise, let's move on. Let's choose date here, add a property by clicking the plus sign here and click date, and let's call this last reviewed. Now I want them to be on the first column because that's the one of the most important aspect of the flashcard. The next is your strength of the subject. So to do that, let's just choose status property. Let's add a status property, and I'm going to call this strength. Okay, and my property, the status will be, let's call it in progress. And under the in progress, I want to add week, and I want to add also good. Let's change the color to green to further emphasize the message that you're in fact good at the flashcard subject. And the week here is set as default. If you want to set good as default, you can simply click it and click set as default, but I'm going to leave it to week at this point. And on the complete task, we're going to change it to archive. And let's change it to red color. All right. Okay, so after date and strength, I want to add, of course, the answer to store our answer later on. And I want to add a... All right, I think that's it. So strength and last reviewed and answer. Now let's go ahead and switch to the gallery view. Now let's set up this flashcard over here. Now what you want to do is right click the gallery view and click edit view, and let's show not only the name but also the date created and the last reviewed and also the strength. I want it to also add it. Okay, so let's do some editing. Now, we want to load the answer here, right? So to do that, let's go ahead and add 2 more properties by clicking one of the flashcard here. And let's click edit property. All right, let's click add property in the table here. Okay, let's add property. Let's add a checkbox. So let's add a checkbox, and we'll name this reveal. So it will act as a button for us when we're trying to review the flashcard. And then we're going to add a formula which will display the answers based on the reveal status. So let's call this flashcard answer. Okay, so the idea of this property is that it will be shown in the gallery view as the answer. So we will want to set this flashcard answer. So to do that, just click the flashcard answer property, click edit property, and click formula. And then let's just type it logically. If, let's say, if open parentheses, if reveal, let's choose the property here. If reveal is equal to true, meaning that the reveal is checked, then if it's true, the answer will be shown. So let's click answer here. So otherwise, if it's not true, then we will want to display answer hidden. Okay, that should do it. All right, once we're done with this formula, let's click done. And let's add our 2 new property to the gallery view to complete it. Right click on the gallery view, click edit view, and click properties, and we will want our flashcard answer and our reveal button to be shown. Now let's change the order here. I want the name first and then the page created. I think it's better on the bottom, and the reveal is under strength, and I think the strength is better if we put it in the very bottom. All right, so now we have it. Let's check it out. So let's add the answer to our what is 1 plus 1 question. Let's answer to 1 plus 1. Okay, so this answer is the answer that will be displayed here if we click reveal. So let's try. All right, there you go. Now it's done. But as you know, since this is a Notion gallery, you can make this prettier. And not only prettier, but also more integrated by putting it in each of maybe your class notes in your dashboard. So I'm going to change up a few views here. I'm going to change how this looks. So let's go ahead and get back to our gallery view settings. And I want let's click the layout. And I want the card preview. Maybe if you want to add pictures to make it prettier, you can click page cover. And you can change the card size to small. I think I will recommend card size to small. And that's how you create flashcards in Notion. Alternatively, you can also check out the Anki app. It's also another great app to use flashcards in. But if you want the Notion integration, I think this is already pretty good for a flashcard. Thank you.